Modern cars are becoming a nightmare. They are packed with fragile plastic and complex screens that break the moment your warranty ends. Repair bills are skyrocketing and basic maintenance is becoming a thing of the past. But what if you could buy a car today for less than $8,000 that actually lasts? We are talking about legendary American steel that runs forever with basic tools. From a highway cruiser built like a tank to a luxury sedan that hides a bulletproof engine. The car at number 1 is the ultimate survivor. Let's dive in. Number 6 is the Chevrolet Malibu from the years 2010 to 2012. You see these cars everywhere for a reason. They were built during a time when Chevy needed to prove they could make a solid sedan. Today you can find a clean Malibu from this era for around $5,000 to $6,000. That is a massive bargain for a car that can easily cross the 200,000-mile mark. The reason these cars stay on the road is their simplicity. Most of them come with the 2.4-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder engine. It is not a race car, but it is incredibly easy to work on. There is plenty of room under the hood to reach the spark plugs and the alternator. If you want more power, you can find the 3.6-liter V6, which is a powerhouse. Both engines are known for being workhorses if you change the oil regularly. The maintenance on a Malibu is about as cheap as it gets in the United States. You can walk into any local parts store and find everything you need on the shelf. Brake pads and rotors are cheap. Air filters cost next to nothing. This makes it the perfect choice for someone who wants to do their own repairs and save money. On the road, the Malibu feels planted and heavy in a good way. It handles highway speeds with a smooth and quiet ride that rivals much more expensive cars. The seats are wide and comfortable for long commutes. However, there is one honest drawback you need to know about. The interior materials are not the best. You will find some hard plastics on the dashboard and the door panels that might rattle over time. But if you care more about the engine, then the trim this car will never let you down. Most people completely overlook the next car on our list, but it might be the smartest purchase you ever make. Number 5 is the Ford Fusion from the years 2010 to 2012. This specific generation of the Fusion is widely considered one of the best sedans Ford ever produced. You can find these cars all day long for between $4,000 and $7,000. The Fusion is cheap today because Ford stopped making sedans to focus on trucks and SUVs. That means the market is flooded with these reliable cars at great prices. The secret to the Fusion's longevity is the 2.5-liter Duratec engine. This engine was designed to be a high-mileage hero. It does not have a complicated turbocharger to brake, and it stays cool even in heavy traffic. Mechanics love the Fusion because it is straightforward. The suspension is simple and the transmission is robust. If you take care of the fluids, this car will reward you with years of service. Parts availability is excellent because Ford sold millions of these. You can find parts in every junkyard and every auto shop from coast to coast. Driving a Fusion feels modern even by today's standards. The steering is responsive and the car feels agile in the city. It is great for a daily driver because it is small enough to park easily, but big enough for a small family. The one honest drawback is the electric power steering system. On some high-mileage models, it can act up and require a reset or a replacement. But once that is handled, the car is basically bulletproof. While the Fusion is a great practical choice, its upscale sibling offers even more comfort for the same price. Number 4 is the Mercury Milan from the years 2008 to 2011. Many people forget that Mercury even existed, which is exactly why this car is a hidden gem. It shares the same mechanical bones as the Ford Fusion, but it comes with a much nicer interior and better styling. Because the Mercury brand is no longer around, these cars have heavy depreciation. You can pick up a beautiful Milan for around $5,000. This is a lot of car for very little money. It features the same reliable 2.5-liter engine or the optional 3.0-liter V6. Both are proven designs that can go the distance. The Mercury Milan lasts forever because it was built on a very solid platform that Ford spent years perfecting. It was designed to be a step above the base models, so it often has better sound insulation and more comfortable leather seats. When you drive a Milan, it feels like a premium experience without the premium price tag. The ride is soft and absorbs bumps in the road very well. It is the kind of car you can drive across the country without feeling tired. Maintenance is identical to the Ford Fusion, so you never have to worry about finding parts. Any mechanic who can fix a Ford can fix a Mercury. The one honest drawback is that some exterior trim pieces like the grille or the unique tail lights can be harder to find if they get damaged. Since the brand is gone, you might have to search a little harder for those specific cosmetic parts. But the mechanical parts are always available. The next car on our list takes that luxury feeling even further, and it hides one of the best engines ever made under the hood. Number 3 is the Buick Lucerne from the years 2007 to 2011. If you want to talk about a car that is built to survive the apocalypse, you have to talk about the Lucerne. You can find these cars all over the United States for between $5,000 and $7,000. The main reason they are so cheap is because of their image. People often think of Buick as a brand for older generations, so the resale value stays low. This is great news for you because you are getting a high-quality vehicle for a fraction of its original cost. The real magic of the Lucerne is what sits under the hood. For the 2007 and 2008 models, you want to look for the version with the 3.8-liter V6 engine. This is the legendary Series 3 engine that is famous for being one of the most reliable engines ever built by General Motors. It is a simple design that does not have a lot of moving parts to break. These engines are known to run for 300,000 miles or more with just basic oil changes. Even the later models with the 3.9-liter V6 are very durable. Maintenance on a Buick Lucerne is incredibly simple because the engine bay is massive. You have plenty of room to reach everything, which keeps labor costs low at the mechanic. Parts are available at every local auto store, and they are very affordable because these engines were used in millions of GM vehicles. Driving a Lucerne feels like you are floating on a cloud. It has a soft suspension that absorbs every pothole and crack in the road. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, and the seats feel like your favorite living room recliner. It is the ultimate highway cruiser for someone who values comfort above all else. However, there is one honest drawback you should keep in mind. These cars are known for having small oil leaks from the valve cover gaskets as they get older. It is not a deal breaker, and it is an easy fix, but it is something you should check before you buy. If you keep an eye on the fluids, this car will easily outlast almost anything else on the road. But as comfortable as the Buick is, the next car on our list offers a level of modern luxury and performance that most people completely overlook. Number 2 is the Lincoln MKZ from the years 2007 to 2012. Most people looking for a used luxury car immediately go to brands like Lexus or BMW, and they end up paying a huge premium. The smart buyers look at the Lincoln MKZ. You can find a well-maintained MKZ for between $6,000 and $8,000. It is cheap today because many people view Lincoln as just a fancy Ford. But that is exactly why this car is such a great deal. Underneath the stylish body, it shares many components with the Ford Fusion, which means the mechanical parts are proven and reliable. The 3.5-liter V6 engine in these cars is a powerhouse. It is part of the Cyclone engine family, which is known for being incredibly robust and smooth. This engine provides plenty of acceleration for merging onto the highway, and it does so without breaking a sweat. The MKZ is built to last because it uses high-quality components that were designed for a premium brand. The transmission is solid, and the overall build quality is a step above the standard Ford models. Maintenance is a breeze because you can take it to any Ford dealer or independent shop. Parts are very easy to find across the United States, and they are much cheaper than parts for European luxury cars. When you drive an MKZ, you feel the difference in the materials. You get real wood trim and soft leather that holds up very well over time. The sound system is usually upgraded, and the ride is tuned to be both smooth and controlled. It even comes with an all-wheel drive option, which is perfect if you live in a snowy climate. The one honest drawback you need to watch out for is the internal water pump. On these specific engines, the water pump is driven by the timing chain. If it fails, it can be an expensive repair because it requires a lot of labor to reach. But if you find a car that has been well maintained, this is a rare issue. This Lincoln is a fantastic choice for someone who wants to drive a luxury car for the next 10 years without the luxury repair bills. But even the Lincoln cannot compete with the absolute king of American durability. The number 1 car on our list is quite literally built like a tank, and it has been the backbone of American transportation for decades. Number 1 is the Ford Crown Victoria from the years 2007 to 2011. This is the ultimate classic American car that you can buy cheap and keep forever. You can find these cars anywhere from $4,000 to $7,000 depending on the condition. The Crown Vic is cheap today because Ford produced so many of them for police fleets and taxi companies. Many people think they are all worn out, but there are plenty of civilian models and well-cared-for detective cars still on the market. This car is legendary for one reason, and that is the Panther platform. It uses a body-on-frame construction, which is the same way heavy-duty trucks are built. This makes the car incredibly tough and able to handle abuse that would destroy a normal sedan. Under the hood is the 4.6-liter V8 engine. This engine is one of the most reliable power plants ever designed. It is not built for high-speed racing, but it is built to run for 500,000 miles. It is a simple two-valve design that is very easy to maintain. You can practically stand inside the engine bay because there is so much room. This means you can do almost all of your own repairs with a basic set of tools. Parts availability is the best of any car on this list. Since these were used as police cars for 20 years, every junkyard in America is full of them, and every parts store has the components in stock. Driving a Crown Victoria is a unique experience. It feels big and heavy, and it smooths out the road like nothing else. It has a massive trunk and a front bench seat that can fit 3 people comfortably. It is a true 6-passenger car. The feeling of safety behind the wheel of a Crown Vic is unmatched because you know you are surrounded by a massive steel frame. The one honest drawback is the fuel economy. Because it is a large car with a V8 engine, you are going to spend more at the pump compared to a small 4-cylinder sedan. But for many people, the trade-off is worth it. You are trading fuel costs for a car that will never leave you stranded and will never need a $3,000 repair bill. The Ford Crown Victoria is the definition of a forever car, and it is the best value in the American used car market today. Finding a reliable car on a budget does not have to be a gamble. These 6 American classics are built to go the distance. Pick one up today and save your money for the things that matter. Subscribe for more car tips and tell us which one you would choose in the comments below.